Today I'm going to share with you exactly how I clone any YouTube channel incredibly fast. And I'm not only going to show you how simple this is, I'll show you how all of it works. We'll break it down, and I have a guarantee for you, as always. If you watch this video till the end, you will not only be able to set this up today, I'm also going to share with you tools and resources. So in a second, I'm going to share with you a training that I put inside of my community, showing them the tools, the software, and the walkthrough of this. So if you do have any questions about this, then please comment down below. Let's dive into it and I'll show you this whole process step by step. Hello and welcome to Viral Cloner. So I'm going to share with you a brief walkthrough of how this works. When I tell you this thing is impressive, it's absolutely brilliant. It really is. We've spent loads of time on this, building it on the back end, so that essentially we can copy any viral channel. So we can clone it basically, and this will give us everything, okay? So when you first start with this, you've got a few options. You've got the four buttons up here, or you can just come in and tell it what you want. So basically, I want to clone this channel over here. So I saw this on YouTube last week. You can see it's only got 19 videos, 65,000 subscribers, and if I scroll down, you'll see 2 months ago. And these are the sorts of videos. So it's literally just using AI videos with simple descriptions, simple text, and simple thumbnails. So what I'm going to do is, this is how we'd start it. I'm going to grab this over here, and I'm going to do this. I'm just going to take a screenshot of it, and I'm going to copy the screenshot like so, and I'm going to come back in here, and I'm going to paste it in there. Okay? And then I'm going to hit on enter. Now, the way I've worked this on the back end is it's just going to walk you through the whole process, and you're going to see just how simple this process is to replicate or clone any channel. So it breaks it down for us. It gives us a bit of analysis about the account, and you can see on here we've got topic, niche, target audience, the viral pattern. It would cover emotional triggers, and then it also breaks down, looking at the thumbnails, why this works, okay? Then we move down here and instantly it will give us 10 viral title ideas. Okay, so we could literally copy these and put them into a worksheet and make this our start. Then if I scroll down here, it's given me a video script, a short form video script for one of these. And it's got our hook on here, it's got our problem, it's got our value, it's got an example, and then we've got a takeaway and a call to action. Okay. So it gives me a short form script like this. So I could take this and put it into any video, any AI video generator, okay? If I scroll down here, it also gives me VO3 style prompts. So this prompt over here, I could take this and put it into VO3. I could also put it into Pika, Kling, again, any other AI software, it doesn't matter. If we scroll down here, it then gives me the analysis of the thumbnail. It will give me a concept. It'll even give me a prompt for the thumbnail. It will give me the YouTube description. It gives me the keywords and the tags. And then it'll give you a few more options, okay? And then it'll say, want another video idea or thumbnail concept. So what we're going to say here is, it's given me all the information about the channel. It's given me a couple of scripts and it's given me a thumbnail. So the first part of it is, let's just say, give me a simple copy. Oh, hang on. Give me a simple copy and paste script that is 45 seconds long. So I'm going to hit on that. And again, it's going to give me, look, it's going to give me the script like this. And then I'll show you how I would do this method, okay? So it's giving me the script. Now we're going to put this into an AI generator. So let's go over here and let's go into this AI software and let's put in our title. Now we're going to put our script in here, okay? So you'll see this whole process is incredibly quick. I'm going to scroll down here. There's my video script. I'm going to copy it. I'm going to come over here, back into the AI software. I'm going to paste my script in there. I'm going to quickly pick a template for this. So I'm just going to go to a preset one I've got. There we go. I'm going to scroll down here. I can change all of this if I want to, but for now, for this video, I'm not going to. I'm just going to go with quick. So I'm going to hit on generate video. So now my video is generating over here. Now let's go back into the software. So we've got the video. Next, I'm going to say, please create a thumbnail in the style of what I uploaded. Uploaded for this new video. Oh, I put an video. It's meant to be a video. So you can see now it's going to create this for me. So very quickly, in less than 5 minutes, I've got it to analyze a channel for me. I've got it to give me a breakdown of the channel. I have got 10 up here. I have got 10 viral videos that we can literally copy and paste over into the AI software. That will create the video. And then it's going to also create the thumbnail for me. And then what I can also do as well is once you're happy with this, you can just say to it, look, give me 50 video ideas in a template that I can download, and you can just download them into a spreadsheet and then schedule them over onto YouTube. It's very straightforward and simple. So it's giving me this image over here. Now, if we look back up at the top, see these images had the text, so the black text with a red box. So I'm going to scroll back down. So it's giving me that. So I'm going to say, please can you include the text and boxes as per uploaded images. And we'll get it to do it again for us. And the thing is, okay, once you go through this process and you set it up and you tell it exactly, how you want your thumbnails to be, the style of videos you want to do, it obviously remembers it. So the next time when I come and ask it to do a video and create a thumbnail for me, it will give me the thumbnail with the text over the top of it. Let's go see if our video's done. Let's refresh the page. And hopefully rendering. So it should be done in a second. Let's go back into chat and see if this is done. But look, here's the thing for you, okay? There we go. Look, this is why. So this video is about why cats are biting you. There is our thumbnail, very similar to what we uploaded in the beginning. Overall, I'm really, really happy with it. If you want any improvements made to this or you think there's something missing, then obviously we can amend this on the back end for you. But this is going to be really powerful for you because you're not going to be sat for hours researching and things. You can just put your information into here and it will create all of this for you. And as I mentioned over here, it'll also give you VO3 style prompts that you can use on other AI generators. And it's just brilliant. So once this is done down here, I'm going to say great. Can you give me, let's just say 20 new viral video titles. And it's going to do it, watch. It's brilliant. It's bloody brilliant, isn't it? So then, personally, I would literally just copy that into a spreadsheet. And then you can see it down here. Look, if you want, I can turn any of these into a script, plus thumbnail, plus fully package instantly. Want another video idea or thumbnail concept, just upload another. So all I would do here is, I would say, no, let's go with this one. Copy, scroll down. Let's do this one, please. This one, please. Like so. And then again, it's going to go through this title, break it down, covers the emotional triggers, why it works, gives you different variations of your title. I mean, realistically, that there is another 10 video titles. Scroll down here, it gives you your short form video, 45 seconds. Easy copy and paste with your hooks and everything already included, your video style prompt, your thumbnail analysis. It'll give you a prompt on here that you can take over to a different generator if you want. You've got your YouTube description, tags, etc. And then I just say create the thumbnail. Like so. and it'll do the video, it'll do the thumbnail. And how long did it take? Minutes, literally. Well, it wasn't even minutes, was it? It was seconds. So our video, there you go, look, our video is now done.
Your cat doesn't see you as human.
And it's all good to go. So literally, in this, if I was to sit down for an hour with this software, I could clone any channel on YouTube, and I've got everything good to go with all of the breakdowns on this as to why these videos will go, potentially viral. It just gives us everything. I think it's brilliant. But more importantly, let me know your thoughts on this. This is now live. I'm going to go make this live, and I'm going to put it over here for you inside of where we're going to put it. We're putting it in the software suite, aren't we? So we're going to put it in the software suite, and as an added little bonus for you, like all of the AI tools in here, you can set that you can sell this yourself in your own shop. And again, we cover that over in here about setting this up, what it means, how to set it up using the free AI software down here. Any questions, do let me know. And one final thing I'll say to you about this is, when we was doing the build for this yesterday, you can see we built it inside of GPT. We covered everything that was included with this, okay? So, originally, ChatGPT said, look, you could sell this as a monthly recurring thing. So let's just say, how much could we charge for this tool? Let's see what ChatGPT says, because yesterday, well, there you go, look. You could realistically charge £9 to £29 a month, even more with position. Let's break it down. So here's a few little ideas for you for when you're selling it over on your Beacon store. At this moment in time, I can't remember if I set it up yesterday. Let me Beacons AI. I think we got it up on Beacons, but I didn't set the pricing. So look, viral video cloner. If I click on see more. How much did we price it? Oh yeah, you can see we priced it at $17, and we put all of this down here. Feel free to go over to Mab, copy this if you want, and put it into your own store. But it's a great little resource that you can use to build out your YouTube channels and also sell over on your Beacon store, which again is free, and it's all covered in the training as well. So if you are going to be selling this, go through the video over here, set it up, and add it into your store with all of the other software that we've built down here for you. And as you can see over here, we're starting to build this out now. We're starting to get some products on here, and this store has now passed over $100 in sales in a couple of weeks. So overall, pretty happy with it. As always, do let me know if you have any questions, ask over in the community, and let me know what else you want adding into the software suite. I'll see you soon.